How to change mobile number in Cash Now app. So changing your mobile number in the Cash Now app itself is not really a straightforward process, unfortunately, that you can do yourself with the app settings, since this is a common security feature in financial apps to prevent fraud. So why you can't do this is because of primary security keys, like your registered phone number is the core of your account identity. It's used for logins and stuff. Fraud prevention and a one number rule. Typically only one mobile number can be linked to an account at a time for KYC compliance. But there is a process for this in special cases. So let's say you lost your SIM card, a temporary number, or some downtimes. The only option you have is basically customer service or support. So in the app, all you'll have to do is navigate to the help and support or the contact us. In this case, it does let us enter contact us right here, and we can just go ahead and send a message that we want to change our number. So fill in the details like our name, the email for the account that we're using, and the phone number that we were using, and then the message that we want to switch that phone number to the new phone number we want. Then just go ahead and send and wait for their email or response. Once you get their response, you'll know what to do at that point, since they're the official, and of course, the officials should know what to do. But that is one of the only ways you can change your number in the Cash Now app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.